So, dear students, today's lecture we are going to start with the first module of your BCom fifth semester financial markets. In this, we will be talking about what is financial market. But beforehand, if you want to understand what is financial market, we need to understand the larger domain of the financial market. What is that larger domain of the financial market? It means this market, is it a part of something or is it an independent market? So we will be learning. So basically this market is a part of the bigger system that is called Indian financial system. This Indian financial system, it talks about finance system of India. It means a system whereby the flows are made, the systems are made, that the money would take flow from one part to the second to the third and fourth, and that's called with related to finance, and this is related to your country. So it becomes Indian financial system. So under this financial system, we find two kinds of financial systems. One is called that is called informal, and the main is called formal. This formal system refers to a system which is under the purview of the government, which is controlled by the government, where all regulations do follow. On the other hand, informal system, a system whereby it is not under the direct control of the government. It is something people are exchanging the hands of money by their own. The government doesn't know about it. You may call it as two number of money, you may call it as black money, as you feel good. On the other hand, when I talk about the formal system, there are a system of 5 components which makes this movement happen. What are those 5 systems? It says that number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The most important part of any system, formal system, is that they called the product. Which product? Of course, this product should be a financial product. That there is a product in the market which is to be sold, and this product is a financial product because we are talking about the financial system. And this financial product would be a claim over the ownership of the company. You can talk about any kind of the security, that's called equity share. You can talk about preference share. You can talk about debt instrument. You can talk about anything. So in totality, these all would be called as securities. So there are some securities to be sold in the market. So these are called financial products under the financial domain. Now these products would be sold somewhere, and these somewhere would be sold by somebody, like in any market. Like suppose sector 32 market, there are the instrument. Like suppose you want to go to buy a sweet, somehow some kind of sweet thing, a burfi, or you can talk about going for a pencil. So there will be buyer and there will be seller. You are the buyer of the pencil, there will be a seller. That's called a stationery shop. So when I talk about the second is, this is called financial product. Who is being sold? Who is going to be sold? कौन बेच रहा है? In this case, this financial market will have financial intermediaries. Now, who are these intermediaries? These are the banks, mainly banks. These are the NBFCs, non-banking financial institutions or non-banking financial companies. There are the other intermediaries which are involved into the buying and selling. That's called trading of the financial instruments. So those who are helping the buyer to buy and seller to sell, they will be called the financial intermediaries. Of course, these financial intermediaries and these products cannot be sold without the regulation of the government. It means there is a regulator in the markets. So to which I call it as financial regulator, who is going to check the various activities of these financial intermediaries with regard to the financial products. We have seen an example, Sahara Subrata Roy Sahara, they caught behind because of they went on to issue another product but on the name of the different product through these financial intermediaries, which was later on court held, and they were under the scam of 20,000 crore. So the question comes, without this regulator there is a very difficulty because people may cheat. So who are the regulator? For the 1 year market we have RBI, we have more than 1 year we have SEBI, and finally we have Ministry of Finance in order to control. These all financial intermediaries, they are going to sell the products, they are going to sell under the regulations of the government, but they can't sell without financial services. Like we all know that underwriting is a service. Underwriting is a service. That's underwriting means that you are going to secure the company with regard to whether your shareholders are going to buy your shares, or new shareholders are going to buy your shares, or we will give you the guarantee. It means this is financial service. So in totality, when I talk about there is a product which is to be sold by the financial intermediary under the regulation of the government through the support of the financial service, but मिलेगा कहाँ? आप कहाँ जाकर परचेज करोगे? आपको पेंसिल चाहिए था, यू वेंट टू अ स्टेशनरी शॉप, बट कहाँ गए? सेक्टर 32 की मार्केट में गए. It means if you did not go to a market, how will you get it? So when I talk about the fifth domain, I am talking about this domain is called, this is financial market. So when I am talking about any product which is to be sold, will be sold in a market. Now that market can be virtual, that market can be physical. But the example for buying a pencil, you need to go to the sector 32 market, which is called physical market. As such, there is no physical market with the name of the money market or financial market does exist. Wherever these intermediaries are working, they are doing under a system, so it becomes financial market, because the objective of the financial market is to flow movement of financial instruments. By whom? Intermediaries. Now intermediaries हर जगह है. बैंक है आपके 32 में भी बैठा है, आपका ऑनलाइन बैंक भी बैठा है. आप इंस्ट्रूमेंट परचेज कर रहे हो, आप इंस्ट्रूमेंट सेल कर रहे हो, आपने डीमेट अकाउंट खुलवाया हुआ है, शेयर परचेज कर रहे हो, सेल कर रहे हो, सिस्टम के थ्रू ही कर रहे हो. यू आर नॉट गोइंग समवेयर एट अ प्लेस. तो कोरोना की वजह से तो हम वैसे ही जाना बंद कर गए हैं, बट द मूवमेंट ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल transactions are taking place. So these transactions which are taking place, these all transactions would be a part of financial market. So in totality, in nutshell or in brief, when I say what is a financial market, market मतलब trade हो रहा है, बाइंग और सेलिंग हो रही है. किस चीज़ की बाइंग और सेलिंग हो रही है? इंस्ट्रूमेंट की. वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट कौन सा है? फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. सो अ मार्केट वेयर बाय फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर चेंजिंग देयर हैंड्स वुड बी कॉल्ड एज फाइनेंशियल मार्केट. अब चेंजिंग हैंड से फ़ायदा क्या होता है? बायर को प्रोडक्ट मिलता है, सेलर को पैसा मिलता है. तो जब बायर को प्रोडक्ट मिला, सेलर को पैसा मिला, सो वन इज़ कॉल्ड लिक्विडिटी क्रिएट हो गई. सो द फीचर ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल मार्केट इज इट हेल्प्स टू प्रोवाइड द लिक्विडिटी. जिसको पैसा चाहिए वो बेच देगा, जिसके पास पैसा है वो खरीद लेगा. सेकंड, आपके पास पैसा पड़ा है, उस पैसे का कहीं यूज़ नहीं हो रहा है. So that user that helps to use, that is called channelizes your savings. Channelizes your savings. Savings means you are having money, but it is there at your home, not earning anything. आज की डेट में तो बैंक्स ने भी एक्ट पास कर दिया, 1 लाख से ज़्यादा ऊपर रखोगे गारंटी नहीं है, तो आप पैसा कहाँ लगाओगे? सो आप अपनी सेविंग्स को वहाँ लगाने की कोशिश करोगे जहाँ से आपको सेफ्टी भी हो, इंटरेस्ट से भी ज़्यादा अमाउंट मिले. तो वो कहाँ लगाओगे? मार्केट में लगाओगे. लिक्विडिटी क्रिएट हुआ, चैनलाइजेशन ऑफ योर सेविंग्स हुआ, और सबसे अहम जो इम्पॉर्टेंट फाइनेंशियल मार्केट का डोमेन है वो है कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. अब कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन का मतलब क्या है? कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन, कैपिटल का मतलब होता है न्यू प्लांट्स, न्यू अंडरटेकिंग्स क्रिएट करना. न्यू अंडरटेकिंग्स क्रिएट करना मीन्स ग्रोथ के लिए, रेवेन्यू जनरेशन के लिए आप प्रोडक्ट्स को और बना रहे हो, न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स बना रहे हो। आत्मनिर्भर भारत की बात हो रही है, इसका मतलब आप क्या करना चाहते हो? नई कंपनीज लगाना चाहते हो, नए प्रोडक्ट्स बनाना चाहते हो। कैपिटल कहाँ से आएगी? फॉर्मेशन कैसे होगा? फॉर्मेशन मतलब कैपिटल कैसे बनेगी? लोग पैसा लगाएंगे, आप पैसे का यूज़ करोगे। लोगों ने पैसा क्यों लगाया? बिकॉज वो रिस्क नहीं ले सकते, आपसे वो एक रिटर्न मांगेंगे। आप बिजनेस खड़ा करोगे, रिटर्न कमाओगे, उनको रिटर्न वापस करोगे। इससे आपकी जो प्रॉफिट से आप कैपिटल को फॉर्मेशन की तरफ ले जाओगे। सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, अगर मार्केट ना हो पैसे का मूवमेंट कैसा होगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी गवर्नमेंट को पैसे की ज़रूरत पड़ जाए, कहाँ से लेगा पैसा गवर्नमेंट? वो क्या करेंगे? इंटरमीडियरीज के थ्रू मार्केट के अंदर अपनी डिमांड लेके आएंगे। आपको भी पता है LIC ने भी गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड खरीदे हुए, हम लोग भी ट्रेजरी जाते हैं, हम पोस्ट ऑफिस में जाकर के गवर्नमेंट के वेरियस ट्रेजरी बिल्स खरीदते हैं। वो जो हमने ट्रेजरी बिल्स गवर्नमेंट के खरीदे वो सारे क्या हैं? वो है एक चैनल, जिस चैनल से जिसको ज़रूरत थी उसको पैसा पहुंचा। कंपनी को पैसा चाहिए, कंपनी क्या करती है? कमर्शियल पेपर ले आती है, इंस्ट्रूमेंट है फाइनेंशियल मार्केट का। 3 महीने के लिए चाहिए, 6 महीने के लिए चाहिए तो कमर्शियल पेपर ले आएगी। अगर 1 साल से ज़्यादा के लिए चाहिए तो आपको इक्विटी शेयर इशू कर देगी, जिसे आप बोलते हो IPO, इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफरिंग। सो इन विद दिस वे वो जो इशू गवर्नमेंट को पैसा चाहिए, उन्होंने कैसे इशू किया? एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट बनाया। इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्या है? क्लेम ऑन ओनरशिप। वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो बना, उस इंस्ट्रूमेंट को सेल करने के लिए इंटरमीडियरीज लगाए। इंटरमीडियरीज के ऊपर अंडर द रेगुलेशन हुआ, रेगुलेशंस को साथ साथ अंडर सर्विसेज लाइक अंडर राइटिंग है, ब्रोकिंग है, और इसके बाद हमारी सारी सर्विसेज सपोर्ट करती हैं। तब जाके प्रोडक्ट जो होता है वो फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में बाय और सेल होता है। So when I talk about what is the importance of the financial market, I talk about without the financial market, the movement of the finance is stopped, and you all know whole of the economy would come to an halt. That is the reason when due to the corona there was a lockdown period, the systems got stopped. There was no transactions. When there was, I will say no transaction, I will say there were less transactions because the virtual financial market was going on. But yes, nobody came with IPO. But yes, companies, those who needed money, they went to the bank, they asked for money. इसीलिए हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने 20 लाख करोड़ के पैकेज के अंदर लोगों को लोन देने की बात की। वो जो लोन्स थे वो सपोर्ट किया, फ्लो को मूव किया, फाइनेंशियल डोमेन मूव किया, फाइनेंशियल एस्पेक्ट्स मूव हुए अंडर द फाइनेंशियल मार्केट। सो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट this financial market, how does it serve? This serve as per the requirement of the person, as per the requirement of the industry. Requirement of the industry or requirement of the person refers to, when I say types of the financial market, it has 2 types. One is called money market and one is called capital market. Any market which is for 1 year or less than that will be termed as money market. Any market beyond 1 year would be termed as capital market. How do we differentiate? Difference is with regard to the requirement of the money. Requirement of the money by whom? By the industrialist, by the government, by the company. For how long they need money? If they need money for smaller period, let's say 6 महीने का सैलरी देना है, बैंक से उधार लिया, सैलरी दे दिया, 6 महीने बाद वो पैसा वापस दे देंगे। डेटर्स हैं, डेटर से हमारा पैसा 8 महीने बाद आएगा, क्रेडिटर्स को हमने 7वें महीने पैसा देना है, अरेंज कर लेते हैं, बैंक को कहते हैं 8वें महीने पैसा दे देंगे विद इन 1 ईयर। यहाँ पर जो आप पैसा बैंक से अरेंज कर रहे हो, बिकॉज इट इज़ लेस देन 1 ईयर, इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ द मनी मार्केट। बट व्हाट if you need money for more than 1 year and the perspective is कि आप उसको लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए यूज़ करोगे, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए यूज़ करके आप उसको वापस जल्दी देने की बात नहीं कर रहे हो। वाई? बिकॉज आप उससे क्या फॉर्मेट करने वाले हो? कैपिटल। सो जहाँ से कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन होगा वो कैपिटल मार्केट में जाएगा। अब कैपिटल मार्केट के अंदर भी 2 मार्केट्स हैं। वन इज़ कॉल्ड योर प्राइमरी मार्केट and the another one is called your secondary market. Primary market means the company is going to bring the first time instruments, that's called issue of shares, IPOs, initial public offering, right issue. They're coming up with the new instrument in order to garner money, collect money. Why do they need money? In order to fund their projects, come up into the new areas and install their more undertakings in order to call revenue generation. So this will be called as primary market. On the other hand, secondary market. Secondary market refers to whereby the company is not in the picture, investors are there. Two kinds. One is called the investor who is already a shareholder. One is called the prospective investor who is willing to become a shareholder. एक buyer है, एक seller है. So where they will go? They will go to the secondary market. And what are the secondary markets? Like BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, NSE, National Stock Exchange. So the points which you learn always, talking about the Sensex, when you talk about the Sensex, then Nifty. Sensex is of BSE and Nifty is of NSE. So when you understand and listen these words, you immediately understand that these are part of the secondary market. So related to this, when we understand this financial market, money market, capital market having two personal domains for primary, secondary, and then whole understanding how does it take place, we are able to understand and jot down with a picture that how this financial market works in a domain. In your syllabus unit 1 is divided into 3 portions. One is called what is financial market, second what is money market, third what is capital market. In today's lecture I have attempted to make you understand about the what is financial market in the larger domain, where does it point, and then its subsequent 2 parts, and how does it practically help the financial domain in order to flow of the money from one hand to the another hand. With regard to the next lecture, we will be talking about what is money market, its functions, its characteristics, and its various types. Then we'll move on to the similar capital markets, difference between primary and secondary market, and the functions of the primary market as well as the functions of the secondary market. So for today, I hope this might have served the purpose. Thank you very much.